in mind, and the recent escalation with the Chinese, now an approval has come for widening the 65 kilometers Imphal-Murree section of the National Highway 39 in Manipur, with the Cabinet Committee of Economic Affairs approving the upgradation of NH 39 from Imphal at a cost of 1,630 crore rupees. Well, moving on now, India Today has accessed the terror face of the Amarnath Yatra attack. Lashkar terrorists who attacked innocent unarmed pilgrims, Abu Ismail, with security forces launching a massive manhunt in Kashmir to track down the Lashkar-e-Taiba commander.
Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorist Ismail wanted for the attack on Amarnath Yatris in Anantnag late Monday night. Ismail, according to intelligence agencies, is in his early 30s and was a resident of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. He has been operating in South Kashmir for the past 3 years, but was tasked to take over coordination between Lashkar-e-Taiba and Hizbul Mujahideen after terrorist Burhan Wani was killed in an encounter with security forces in July 2016. Ismail was tasked by this man, Abdul Rahman Makki, brother-in-law of one of the world's most wanted terrorists, Hafiz Saeed, to target pilgrims in Kashmir and create a religious divide in the valley. Ismail has been active in Anantnag, Shopian, Pulwama and Kulgam districts of South Kashmir. He has carried out terror attacks, including bank and ATM loots in the area. According to police sources, who are now updating the terror dossier. According to intelligence agencies, terrorists targeted the Amarnath Yatris to avenge the killing of Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorist Bashir Lashkari. Terrorists have increasingly come under pressure from their handlers across the line of control in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir to carry out a high-profile terror strike to mark 1 year of killing of the Hizbul Mujahideen terrorist Burhan Wani.
Security agencies believe that Abu Ismail is hiding either in the Kulgam district or in the Anantnag district, but most probable chances are that he is on the run in Kulgam district, and that also near Khudwani area. Khudwani area is one of the known hideout places for the Lashkar operatives here in the Kashmir Valley. So whole security focus is diverted now by the security agencies on Kulgam district so that they can nab Abu Ismail.
With Shujaul Haq in Srinagar, Bureau Report, India Today.
In fact, India Today's Shujaul Haq did get a chance to catch up with the Minister of State in the Prime Minister's office, Dr. Jitendra Singh, and MOS for Home Affairs after they visited the Jawans at Srinagar.
डॉक्टर साहब, एक नाम सामने आया है अबू इस्माइल लश्कर-ए-तैयबा, उसकी क्या बात बताएंगे आप?
इनिशियल इनपुट्स के मुताबिक इस तरह से हमारे भी ध्यान में लाया गया है, लेकिन सिक्योरिटी एजेंसी, सुरक्षा बल इस पर अब पूरी तहकीकात करके कुछ डेफिनेट कंक्लूजन्स, कुछ ठोस निष्कर्ष निकालेंगे, जिसके आधार पर आगे बात बढ़ेगी।
वहाँ लगा कि किसी तरीके का डर का माहौल है या कोई परेशानी है यात्रियों?
कोई डर दिखा नहीं मुझे, सब बहुत ताकत से, आत्मबल के साथ में, श्रद्धा के साथ में लोग जा रहे हैं। लोगों के चेहरे पे मैंने देखा है कि उनको लगता है कि सुरक्षा व्यवस्था काफी दुरुस्त है और बिल्कुल वहाँ पे कोई गलती होगी नहीं, ऐसा लगता है। फिर भी हमें तो तत्पर होना पड़ेगा और भी उसमें जो भी कमियां हैं, खामियां दूर करनी पड़ेगी।
अच्छा, कौन लोग हैं इसके पीछे, इसके बारे में?
वो तो चलते रहेगा। ये आतंकियों का कोई नाम लेके फायदा क्या है? ये शैतानी वृत्ति के लोग होते हैं, इनकी कोई ना धर्म होता है, ना जात होती है, ना नाम होता है। ये आतंकी होते हैं।